Dear customer, we are at Wingate Construction Equipment Private Limited. Want to present our latest cutting machine, model number W838, which can cut taut steel up to 36 dia, provided the ultimate tensile stress of the steel 40 to 45 kg per millimeter square. As per our experience, the taut steel are available in the local market. The ultimate tensile stress varies between 55 to 65. We suggest the machine should be used to cut up to 32 millimeter taut steel for all practical purpose. The machine is provided with 5 HP electrical 2-pole, 2800 RPM, 3 phase, 50 cycle, 415 volts, plus minus 4%. The motor rotation should be clockwise as per the arrow affixed on the flywheel guard. The main mechanism of the machine, the rotary motion converted to linear motion through eccentric shaft. In turn, reciprocate the cutting rod to and fro. In forward motion, it cuts the taut steel with a 700 kg meter force. The rod is placed in between the blades, the movable blade and the fixed blade, and the rod should be tightly held on the jig locator. Then, operator should pull the operating lever forward along with foot pedal, which helps the operator to avoid any fatigue in the operation. Technician Mr. Mohammad Sayoom will show you how to maintain the machine regularly after prolonged working. Now he is opening the cover. Now you can see two springs, one is horizontal, one is vertical. The horizontal spring pull the lever at the backward, and the vertical spring pull the knee downwards to get the neutral position of the lever to avoid any unusual metallic sound between the knee and the lock. Now he is adjusting how to keep the lever in right position to avoid any metallic sound. Now he is adjusting the adjusting bolt to pull the knee downwards, which is regular maintenance required to run trouble-free operation. Dear customer, it's an immense pleasure. We are going to introduce our latest hybrid technology bending machine with a helical gear train. We have increased the torque by 3 times than that of spur gear with a sound level hardly 60 to 65 dB. Now our engineer Mr. Prabhakar will show you what are the latest technology we have introduced. In the control panel we have introduce your telltale indicator. If any overload comes, automatically it will glow and machine will be stopped. One more feature is there in the machine, that is inching mode. This can be used to set the first job, to set the angle. After the angle is set, then they will switch over to your auto cycle. Forward and reverse, both the direction machine can work. In forward direction, we have got a changeover switch, the knob changeover switch, forward and reverse. When you set the machine in forward condition, never rotate the switch to reverse unless you change all the settings. The machine is provided with electrodynamic brake. It works instantly as soon as the reversible limit switch presses it. Now, Mr. Prabhakar will show you how the machine gets reversed with the help of reversible pin. This pin being inserted in the hole of the bend wheel, there are 72 holes throughout the periphery of the bend wheel. One hole to other hole, that means it 4 degree. According to desired angle, operator will select the angle and set it so that he can go for regular operation. And the machine, after reversing, the machine will come to the home position, where home position cam is there, that at the peak point machine should stop, no slippage or overrun of the machine. It is being controlled by the electrodynamic brake. The red color, that is the power socket, 3-phase, one earthing and 3-phase. And blue socket for foot pedal, it operates at single phase. We used to supply along with the machine the square pin and checking block. What we are showing is a 1 unit. It sets on the saddle of the machine. We supply along with the machine 5 different size of bushings and 3 pins. One is smaller type for stirrup bending pin, stirrup for smaller diameter. It can maximum we can do bending up to 12 millimeter with the help of stirrup bending pin. Now we'll show operation how to do on the machine. Now we want to demonstrate how to make the 90-degree angle with this setting. Now we are finding angle is not 90 degree. Now we have to bend more with the inching mode. Now we got a 90 degree. Now they can switch over to auto cycle. Now we want to show you how to do the bending on inching mode. Now we have seen one 90 degree bend being done by inching mode. Now they will switch over to auto cycle for further bending. Eventuality or any danger occurs, operator will just press that emergency switch. It is screw locking unless they unscrew it, it cannot come out to its position. We are showing our control panel. This control panel is designed by us and complete assembly also done by us. It is one is forward, other is a reversible contactor, forward and reverse contactor, and their NCVs are there for any overload that will trip from there, and to reset the bottom is there to reset to normal position. For safety purpose, we kept control circuit 24 volt to avoid any accident.